Hi everyone, so welcome to my channel. Myself Raza, and in this video I am going to discuss the multiple choice questions related to the chapter statistics. Right, so this particular video is useful for all competitive exams related to class 10 syllabus. Right, so don't skip the video, watch the video till the end. So if you like the video, please share with your friends. Right, now let us get into the video. So discussing the previously asked question first, and later on we will go with the other questions. Right, first one, if mean of 8 6 4 x 3 6 and 0 is 4, then the value of x is. Now if you observe here, so 0 is also one of the observations, right? So it won't influence the sum, but it influences the mean value, right? So what is the formula for mean? So mean is equal to sum of observations by number of observations. So sum of observations is given by taking sum of all these values. So already he has given mean is equal to 4. So 4 is equal to 8 plus 6 plus 4 plus x plus 3 plus 6 plus 0 divided by 4 plus 3, so total is 7 observations. So when you do cross multiplication, so 7 4s are 28 is equal to, 6 plus 4 is 10, 3 plus 6 is 9, 9 plus 8 17, 17 plus 10 27. So 27 plus x, which is nothing but, so x is equal to 28 minus 27, which gives me the value as 1. Hence the value of x is 1. Next, extreme values of some data influences high on. So extreme values is changes the arithmetic mean. Extreme values changes arithmetic mean. So its effect will be more in arithmetic mean. So its effect will not be there on median, Nana. So if we ask about, so its effect is not present on means, then you need to consider it as median, because median is considered at the middlemost value. So middlemost value means, so middlemost value will be away from these extremes, so that's why it won't change much. Next, in a data of n scores are given, and if n is odd, then median is, right? So if n is odd, then median is given by n plus 1 by tooth event, or n plus 1 by tooth observation. Right, next, moving on to question number 4. The class mark of 10 to 25 is. So what is the meaning of class mark? So class mark is nothing but called as mid value. So class mark or mid value, both are same. Now if you want to find out the class mark, so what I should do, I need to add these two and I need to divide by 2. That means I am taking average. So 10 plus 25 is 35. So 35 by 2 is 17.5. Hence the answer is 17.5. Next, mode of the data 5, 3, 4, minus 2, 3, 2, 2, 1, p is 3. Now if you observe this, so 5, 3, 4, minus 2, 3, 2, 2, 2, next 1, and next is p. Now if you want to make the mode as 3, that means already 2 3s are there and 2 2s are there. So if you want to make this particular mode as 3, that p should be taken and keep here. So p value should be 3, Nana. So then only mode will be 3. So if we ask about mode is equal to 2, then p should be 2. Right, next, the class interval of the class 11 to 20 is. So the class interval of the class 11 to 20 is. So what is this question, Nana? So the question is not proper, or if you want to ask, so what you should have asked, so in the class interval, the lower limit. So if you ask about lower limit, so lower limit will be 11, or if you ask about upper limit, so upper limit would be 20. Right, so if you ask about lower limit, so it will be 11, and upper limit it is 20. Right, next, the arithmetic mean of the data 8 6 4 x 3 6 0 is. So 8 plus 6 14, 14 plus 4 18, 18 plus 3 21, 27. So already it has been repeated, right? The value of x will be 1. Next, the mean of 1 2 3 comma x is 0. Then what is the value of x? So directly taking the sum of observations by number of observations, so 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus x by 4 is equal to 0. So when you do cross multiplication, so here x plus 6 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 6, hence the answer is minus 6, right? Next, ninth question, if sum of 15 observations is 420, then their mean is, so is asking you to find out the mean. So formula of mean is nothing but sum of observations by number of observations. So sum of observations is 420 and number of observations is 15. Next, 15 2s are 30. Next, I will be left with the 12. So 15 8s are 120, hence the answer is 28. Next, the mid value of the class 10 to 19 is, so 10 to 19 means, so 10 plus 19 by 2, which is nothing but 29 by 2, which gives me 14.5, hence the answer is 14.5. Next, the median of 2 3 4 5 6 7. If you observe, these values are in ascending order, and since the number of observations are 6, then average of the middle 2, so average of 4 comma 5 is nothing but my answer, which is nothing but 4.5. Next, to elect the leader of your class from 3 contestants, so which of the following measures are to be considered? So to find out, so most frequently only, no. So to elect the leader, so what you should have, we need to count the votes. So count the votes means, so which person got the same named votes will be the winner, right? So that is nothing but mode. Next, from this graph, O gives median is. So what is median? So median is nothing but the x coordinate of, so median is nothing but x coordinate of the point of intersection of ogive curves. So what is x coordinate here? So x coordinate is 40. Next, what about this 15 then? So this 15 represents half of the cumulative frequency, right? So half of the total frequency. Next, moving on to question number 14. If the median of set x by 5, x by 3, x by 4 is 5, then what is the value of x? So for that, what I should do is first arrange it in ascending order. So ascending order means x by 5, next x by 4, next is x by 3. What he has given, the median is 5. So median is 5 means the middlemost one is 5. So this is equal to 5. Then x is equal to 20. That means this value is 20. Next, mean of the scores, 1 minus x, 1 x plus 1. So here minus x plus x will get cancelled. So 3 by 3 is nothing but 1. Next, if the mode of the data is 5, the mode of the data is 5, then what is the value of x? So if you observe, x by 3 is repeating more number of times, then this x by 3 should be equal to 5. So x by 3 equal to 5 means x is equal to 15. So based on this, QRP, so QRP, option B is my answer here. Next, median of the scores 1 3 5 7 9 and so on 99 is 1 3 5 7 9 and so on 99 is. So totally from 1 to 99, since all are odd numbers, so totally there are 50 odd numbers here. So 50 observations. So 50 observations means even count. So when you are having even count of numbers, then you need to take exactly the middle ones, average of the middle two. So what are the average middle two? So it is nothing but 49 and 51. So 49 51 average is nothing but 100 by 2, which gives me 50. Hence the answer is 50 here, right? Next, moving on to question number 16. The mode of the values sin 0. What is the value of sin 0? Sin 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1, sin 90 is 1, tan 45 is 1. So clearly 1 is my mode, hence answer is option C. The mean of first 4 odd prime numbers is, so first 4 odd prime numbers. So first 4 odd prime numbers 3, 5, 7, 11. So 3, 5, 7, 11. So you need to add them up and divide them by 4. Then what I am going to get, 11 plus 3 is 14, plus 7 plus 5 is 12 by 4, which is nothing but 26 by 4. So 26 by 4 means 13 by 2, which is equal to 6.5. Hence the answer is 6.5. Next, am of x minus 5 plus x plus 5. X minus 5 plus x plus 5 divided by, so totally there are 3 observations. So here minus 5 plus 5 gets cancelled. So 3x by 3, which is equal to x. Hence the answer for this question is x. Next, the mode of 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma x is 5. So if you want to have the mode as 5, then you should have 2 5s at least. That means x value should be 5. Next, the mode of the data 5, 6, 9, 10, 6, 11, 4, 6, 10, 4. If you observe, we are having 6 as 6. The count of 6s is 3. The count of 4s is 2. The count of 10s is 2. Now among this, the more frequently occurred observation is nothing but 6. Hence the answer will be 6 here, right? Next, question number 21. The letter that represents xi minus a by h, which is used in measuring mean, is. So this is nothing but xi minus a by h. So xi minus a by h is nothing but step deviation. So which is nothing but ui. In more than ogive curve, we consider in drawing. So more than means we will consider lower limits. Okay, so in more than type ogive curve, so we will be using lower limits and greater than cumulative frequency. So more than cumulative frequency and lower limits. Okay, next, observe the following tables. So here, class interval, frequency, class mark, fi xi. Next, class interval, frequency, lower limit, fx. To find arithmetic mean by direct method, the suggested frequency distribution table is. If you observe, to find out the arithmetic mean by direct method, to find out mean, so what is the thing that we are going to consider is class mark. So to find out the mean of a given data, class mark plays a vital role because it acts as the representative. Hence the condition, so which is containing class mark is correct. Hence only one is true. Next, coming to question number 24. If x bar represents the mean of x1, x2, x3, so xn, then summation of I is equal to 1 to n, x1 minus x bar is equal to. So here this is nothing but sum of deviations. So sum of deviations about the mean. So sum of deviations about the mean is always 0. So sum of deviations about the mean is always 0. Next, mode can be calculated by L plus f1 minus f0 by 2 f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. Here, what is f1? So what is f1? So f1 is nothing but frequency of the model class. So frequency of the model class is represented by f1. Then frequency of the preceding model class is nothing but f0. Frequency of class succeeding the model class is nothing but f2. Next, cumulative frequency of the, so here you don't have any cumulative frequency, right? So likewise we need to remember all these notations. Next, moving on to question number 26. The x coordinate of the point of intersection of two ogive curves in group data represents median. So ogive curves are used to represent the median of the given data, right? Next, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5, 2, so there is some x and 6. If the mode of this data is 3, so if the mode of this data is 3 means this x should be kept here, right? Then it becomes 3 3s, hence the mode will become 3, hence 3 is my answer for x value, right? Next, further terms, x plus 1, x plus 2, x minus 1, x plus 3 and x minus 2 if the median of the data is 12. So first of all, write them in ascending order, Nana. So ascending order means, so x minus 2, next is x minus 1, next is x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3. So totally there are 5 observations and the middle one is x plus 1. Now clearly from this, x plus 1 is equal to 12, x is equal to 11. right? Hence the value of x is 11. Next, which of the following is not a measure of central tendency? So measure of central tendency means mean, median and mode. Hence range is not the measure of central tendency. Next, the most stable measure of central tendency is, so most stable means it is nothing but mean. So mean is the most stable measure of central tendency. Next, the class marks of a class interval is, so if you want to find out the class mark, so class mark means nothing but mid values. Class mark means mid values. So mid values can be obtained by taking the average. So average of upper boundaries and lower boundaries. So option C will be my answer. Next, if the mode of the following data is 7, so mode is 7, then the value of k is, so is asking you to find out the value of k. So for that, what I should do, first of all, write down the value 6, 3, 5, next 6, 7, 5, 8, 7, 6, next is 2k plus 1, so this is separate, next 9, next 7, next 13. Now what is it telling you? Mode of the given data is 7, that means this 2k plus 1 should be kept here. So this is 1, 7, then only we can say that mode of this particular data is 7. So 2k plus 1 is equal to 7, from this 2k is equal to 6, k is equal to 3. Hence the value of k is, so hence the value of k is 3. Next, mode of the following distribution is, so we need to find out mode. So again you find mode, Nana. So here whose frequency is more? So 15, 6, 18 and 10. So its frequency is more, that means mode lies in between 40 and 60. Mode lies in between 40 and 60. Now let us see how to find it then. So already we know the formula. What is lower boundary of this? So it is 40. So mode is generally represented with the letter Z. So Z is equal to 40 plus F1 minus F0. So this is F1 and this is F0 and this is F2 and this gap. So 60 to 80 means height is 20. Now F1 minus F0, that means 18 minus 6 is 12 by 2 times of F1. So 36 minus F0 minus F2. So 6 minus 10 into H is 20. 36 minus 6 is 30. 30 minus 10 is 20. So this 20 and this 20 will get cancelled. 40 plus 12 is 52. Hence the answer is 52. Next, the model class for the following distribution is, so we need to find out the model class. So below 10 means, so you can consider from 0 to 10. So 0 to 10 the value is 3. From 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40. So here it has given below 60, so till 60 we need to write it. So 30 to 40, 40 to 50, next 50 to 60. Now below 10 is 3. Next below 20 means there are 12, so we need to subtract this particular 3, then it becomes 9. Next from 20 to 30, 27 minus 12. So 27 minus 12 is 15. Next 57 minus 27 is 30. 75 minus 57. So 15 minus 7 is 8. Next 6 minus 5 is 1. Next 80 minus 75 is 5. Now if you observe, this is the highest frequency, hence 30 to 40 is my model class. Next, the lower limit of the model class of the following data is, so which frequency is higher here? So 15. So its lower boundary or lower limit is nothing but 10. Hence the answer is C. Next, which of the following is not a measure of central tendency? So already we have discussed range is not the measure of central tendency. For a symmetrical data means, so data is distributed symmetrically, then mean is equal to median is equal to mode. So all the three will be equal, right? So for asymmetrical data, so there is one relation. What is that? So mode is equal to 3 times of median minus 2 times of mean. For asymmetric data, so this is the relation it will be following, right? Next, the upper limit of the median class of the following distribution table. So the upper limit of median class of the following distribution table. So if you observe this, so what is the median class first of all? So take out the cumulative frequency, 13 plus 10, 23, right? So 23, 33, 38, 38 plus 8 is 46, 57, right? So total is 57. So half of 57 is 27 and half. So half of 57 is 28 and half, right? So that particular 28 and half will be in which category? Understood? So 0 to 5, 6 to 11, 12 to 17, 18 to 23 and 24 to 29. So these are the class intervals. Next, if I take, so this is 13, 10, 15, 8 and 11. If I take cumulative frequencies 13, 23, 38, 46, 57. So 57 means, so it is equal to 27 and half or 28 and half, right? Sorry, 28 and half. So 28 and half means, so it will be present in this particular group, right? So from this 12 to 17 will be my median class. Now what is he asking? Upper limit. So it is not upper limit. So if you consider upper limit, right? So upper limit is nothing but 17 nana. So what is upper limit here? So upper limit is 17. So if we ask about upper boundary, so if you ask about upper boundary would be 17.5, right? Next, the measure of center tendency which take into account all the data terms. So all the data terms which considers is nothing but mean. A data arranged in descending order has 25 observations. Next, so if it has 25 observations, that means it is odd. Then which observation presents the median? So if you are having odd number of observations, then simply odd number of observation plus 1 by 2. So this particular observation will give you the median of the given data. So 25 plus 1 is 26 by 2, which is nothing but 13th observation will be my median here. Next, construction of cumulative frequency table is used in determining the, so cumulative frequencies are used to find out the median. Remember, mid values are used to find out the mean, cumulative frequencies are used to find out the median, right? Next, for a given data with 60 observations, the less than OG curve and the more than OG curve intersected 66.5, 30. Now in this, the x coordinate will decide. So the x coordinate will be my median, hence the answer is 66.5. The same way here also 15.5 will be the median. Next, the abscissa of the point of intersection of less than and more than cumulative type frequency is nothing but, what is meant by abscissa? Abscissa is nothing but x coordinate. So x coordinate of these two is nothing but, so since both are modes he has given, so change it as median, right? Hence the answer is median. Next, in the figure, the value of the median of the given data. So median means nothing but the point, the x coordinate of the point of intersection of less than and more than OG curves, hence the answer will be 20 here, right? Next, moving on to question number 16. For a distribution with odd number of observations, the median is, so if there are n number of odd observations, then n plus 1 by 2th observation will be my median. Next, for a distribution with even number of observations, the median term is, so if you are having even number of observations, then average of n by 2th observation and n by 2 plus 1th observation. So we need to take the average of these two observations. So n by 2th observation and n plus 1 by 2th observations average is nothing but my answer. Next, for a continuous grouped frequency distribution, the median is given by L plus n by 2 minus Cf by f into h. So these are standard formulas. Next, class marks of class x minus y by, x to y. So from x to y, what is the class mark? So class mark is nothing but average of x and y values, so x plus y by 2. Next, mean of n observations, x1, x2, x3, so on xn, repeated f1, f2, f3, so on fn times. Then its formula is given by sigma fi xi by sigma fi. Hence option A will be my answer here, right? Next, mode of a continuous grouped data. So what is the formula for mode? L plus f1 minus f0 by 2 f1 minus f1 minus f2 into h. Right, so here there is a small change. That particular 2f1 I have written as f1 plus f1. So I am going to get this formula, L plus f1 minus f0 by, instead of 2f1 I will be writing f1 minus f0 plus f1 minus f2 into h. Next, if assumed mean is a, then mean is given by. So when you are having assumed mean, then its formula for mean is given by a plus sigma fi xi by sigma fi, that is sigma fi di by sigma fi. Here di is nothing but the deviations from the assumed mean, right? Mode is the value of variate which occurs dash number of times. So here there is no restriction, so it can occur maximum number of times, right? Next, if each observation of a data is increased by a, if each observation of a data is increased by a, then mean is also increased by a. So mean also increases by a. Next, if the mean of x1, x2, x3, so on xn is x bar, then the mean of x1 by a, x2 by a, and so on xn by a is nothing but x bar by a. If each observation is multiplied with something, then mean also will be changed by the same amount, right? Here also, since each observation is divided by some constant a, hence overall value of the mean also changes as x bar by a. Next, sum of observations by number of observations is nothing but mean. Next, the mean of 1, 2, 3 and so on n. So these all are nothing but first n natural numbers. So what is sum of first n natural numbers? It is given by n into n plus 1 by 2. Now what do I need? I need to find out the mean, so I need to divide with the n. So n will get cancelled, so answer will be n plus 1 by 2. Next, am of 23, 24, 24, 22, 10 is. So arithmetic mean, if you want to find out, simply add them up. So what is the value then? So 20, 20, 20, 20. So 420 is 80, 83, 87, 91, 93. So 93, 103. So this is nothing but 103 by. So totally there are 5 observations. So simply multiply with the 2 and divide with the 2. What I am going to get? So 206 by 10, which gives me 20.6. Right, so is there any mistake here? So 20, 20, 40, 40 plus 20, 60, 60 plus 20, 80, 80 plus 10, 90. Right, so 92, 96, 100, 103. So 103 by 5. Right, so when you multiply with the 206 by 10, so it gives me 20.6. So there is no option 20.6 here. Right, so answer is 20.6. Right, next, moving on to question number 29. Mode of 1, 2, 3, 10, 10 is. Since here 10 is repeated 2 times, hence the mode is 10. Next one, mode of 5, 6, 9. So first of all we need to write this. So 5, 6, 9, 10. Again we are having 6. Next 12, 3, 6, 11, 10, 4, we don't have, so 4, 6, 7. Now if you observe, 6 is repeated more number of times, hence the answer is 6. Likewise this one, so 20, 3, 7, 13, 3, 4, 6, 7. Next 19, next 15, 7, 18. So there is no 18. Next 3 again. Now if you observe, 3 are repeating 3 times, 7 is repeating 3 times. So these two are most frequently repeated numbers. So then we can say that the mode is 3, 7. Next, the mode of 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 7. So there are 3 3's, hence the mode is 3. Next, representing the data with the help of pictures is called as. So representing the data with the help of pictures is nothing but called as pictograph. Right. Next, in the mid values of the class 10 to 20 is. So how to find the mid value? Simply take the average of those two values. So 10 plus 20 is 30, 30 by 2 is 15, hence the answer is 15 here. Next, moving on to question number 35. So histograms consist of, histogram consists of rectangles, pi diagram consists of sectors. So pi diagram consists of sectors. Next, data having two modes is nothing but called as bimodal data. So bi means two, right? Next, mid values are used to calculate. So already we have discussed mid values means nothing but class marks. So class marks are used in finding the mean. Next, 1 to 8, 9 to 16, 17 to 24. Then class interval is, or class length, I think, right? So this is about class size. So what is the class size of these particular classes? Now if you want to find out the class size, simply take the difference of any two consecutive upper limits or any difference of any two consecutive lower limits. So 1 and 9, what is the difference? It is 8. Okay, next, the range of 1, 2, 3 and so on 10. So what is the formula for range? So formula for range is nothing but maximum value minus minimum value. So what is maximum value here? 10 minus minimum value is 1. So 10 minus 1 is nothing but 9. Next, the mean of 7, 6, 5, 0, 7, 8, 9. So mean means we need to take sum of observations by number of observations. Simply add it up. So 7 plus 6, 13, 13 plus 5, 18. So 18 plus 7, 25, 25 plus 8, 33, 33 plus 9, 42. So sum is 42 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in 7 table 42, so it goes 6 times, hence the answer is 6. Next, 42. The mean of the following data is. So here he has given discrete frequency distributed data. So whenever you are having frequency distributed data, then we can write as sigma fi xi by sigma fi is nothing but my mean value, right? Now, so on doing addition, so 5 3s are 15. So we need to add these up. Sigma fi xi means, so 5 into 3 is 15, 10 10s are 100 plus 25 15s. So 25 10s are 250, 25 5s are 125. So 250 plus 125 is 375. So it is 375. Next, 27s are 140 plus 25 is 125, all divided by, so sigma fi. So sigma fi means 3 plus 10. So 3 plus 10 plus 25 plus 7 plus 5. Now on doing simplification, so 375, 400, 500, 600, 700, 740, 755. So 755 divided by 25 plus 5, 30, 40, 50. Now if you observe carefully in 5 table, so 5 ones are 5. Next 5 5s are 25. So 5 ones are 5. So since we are having 50 in the denominator, so it will be 15.1. The mode of a distribution is 8 and its mean is 8, then median is. So already we know, so mode is equal to 3 times of median minus 2 times of mean. Now substituting in this particular formula, so 8 is equal to 3 times of median minus 2 times of mean. So 2 times of 8. So this gives me 3 times of 8. So 3 times of 8 is equal to 3 times of median. So median is equal to 8. Hence the answer is 8 here. Next, the mean of 10, 12, 18, 13, P, 17 is 15. Now taking up the sum, 18 plus 12 is 30. 13 plus 17 is 30. 30 plus 30 60 plus 10 70. So 70 plus P divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 observations is equal to 15. So when you do cross multiplication, so 70 plus P is equal to 15 6s 90. So from this P is equal to 20. Hence the answer is 20. The mean of first 5 prime numbers is, so what are the first 5 prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Now since I need to find out the mean, so 7 plus 3 is 10, 11 plus 2 is 13, 13 plus 10 is 23 and 28, so 28 by 5. So when you want to find it, so simply multiply with the 2 and divide with the 2. So 56 by 10 I can write as 5.6. Hence the answer is 5.6. Next, the median of the given data. So first of all, write it in ascending order. So 2, 2, so 2, 2, next 3, next is 5, next is 6, next is 7, next is 9, 10, 11. Now if you observe, how many observations are there? 4, and here 4, the middle one is 6, hence the answer is 6. Next, question number 47, mode of first n natural numbers is. So if you observe natural numbers, so there is no repetition, so all the numbers are distinct, hence it has no mode. It has no mode. Dash is affected by extreme values, so by extreme values mean will be affected. Next, the mean of -8, -4, +4, +8. So if you take sum of these observations, so sum of these observations is 0, hence the mean will be 0. Next, range of first 5 natural numbers. So first 5 natural numbers means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So he is asking about range. So range means maximum value minus minimum value. So 5 minus 1 is 4. Next, empirical relation among mean, median and mode is. So already we are discussing about this. So mode is equal to 3 times of median minus 2 times of mean. Next, arithmetic mean of 1 square, 2 square, 3 square and so on, 20 square. So if you observe, the numbers are squares. So when you take sum of observations, so it is nothing but sigma n square. So sigma n square is nothing but given by n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Now what do I need? I need sum of first 20 natural numbers, and for that I need to find out mean. So from this, sigma n square from n is equal to 1 to 20 is given by 20 into 21 into, so 220 is 40, so 41 by 6. So this is nothing but sigma n square, that is nothing sum of these squares of natural numbers. Now what do I need? So I need arithmetic mean. So arithmetic mean is nothing but given by sum of these observations by number of observations. So 20 into 21 into 41 by 6 whole divided by 20. So these 20 gets cancelled. So in 6, so 21 into 41 by 6. So in 3 tables, so it goes 7 times. In 3 table, it goes 2 times. So 41 7. So this is nothing but 287 by 2. So this would be my arithmetic mean. So answer is none. Next, which of the following is not a measure of central tendency? So already it is repeated. So range is not the measure of central tendency. A data has 13 observations arranged in descending order. Then which of the following will represent the median? Right? So since there are 13 observations, so 13 means odd number. Then simply what we can say, add 1 and divide with the 2. So this particular observation will be my median. So 13 plus 1 is 14, 14 by 2 is 7. So 7th observation will be my median. Next, the model class in the following frequency distribution table. If you observe, 30 is the largest frequency, its corresponding class interval will be my model class, hence the answer is 30 to 40. Next, 56, in the formula of mode in the group data, L represents. In the formula of mode, L represents the lower boundary. So be clear. So it is lower boundary. In an arranged series of even number 2n terms, the median is. So when you arrange the numbers, so 1, 2, 3 and so on, 2n observations. So among which n and n plus 1 will be at the exact middle. Then the average of these two observations, that is nothing but nth observation and n plus 1th observations average will be my median. Right? Next, am of 1, 2, x, 3 is 0. Then x is equal to, so already this is also repeated. So x is equal to -6. Right? Next, Arithmetic mean of first n odd numbers is, so first n odd numbers means first n odd natural numbers. Then already we know sum of first n odd natural numbers is nothing but n square. Sum of first n odd natural numbers is n square by number of observations is n. So then I am going to get the answer as n. Hence the answer is n. Next, the mean of 6 comma minus 4 comma 2 by 3 comma 5 by 4 comma 7 by 6 is. Now from this, first of all we need to find out sum of observations. So how to find out sum of observations? Say 6 minus 4 is 2. So this is 2, right? So 2, and for these, since the denominators are different, so to add them up, so what I should do, I need to make all the denominators as same. For that I need to take LCM. So by taking LCM, so what is LCM? 3, 4 and 6. So 3, 4 and 6 LCM is 12. Now how can I write this as 2 by 3? I can write it as 2 4s are 8 by 12. Next 4 3s, that means 15 by 12. Next 6 2s, so 7 2s 14 by 12. Okay. Next, this particular 2 also I can write it as 24 by 12. Now adding this up, 24 plus 8 is 32, 32, 42, 42 plus 5, 47, 57, 63. Now this gives me sum is 63 by 12 divided by number of observations is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is 5. Now I can write it as 63 by 60. Now in 3 table it cancels 21 times and it cancels 20 times, right? So answer is 21 by 20. Okay, the AM of 10 consecutive numbers starting with n plus 1 is, so it is not n plus 1, so it is x plus 1, right? The arithmetic mean of 10 consecutive numbers starting from with x plus 1. So this is x plus 1, next is x plus 2. So likewise 10 means the last one will be x plus 10. Now if you observe this, what will be the sum of observations? So sum of observations is nothing but, so you are having 10 x's, right? So then I can write as 10x plus, if you observe all these numbers are till 10 natural numbers. So sum of first 10 natural numbers is nothing but 10 into 10 plus 1 by 2. So in 5 table it gives me 55. So sum is 10x plus 55. Now since I need mean, so mean is nothing but 10x plus 55 by 10. So which gives me x plus 5.5. Hence the answer is x plus 5.5. Next, mean is 2p plus q and median is p plus 2q. Then z is nothing but mode. So already we know z is equal to 3 times of median minus 2 times of mean. Now substituting the values, so 3 times of p plus 2q minus 2 times of 2p plus q. Now on simplification, 3 times of p is 3p minus 2 times of 2p is minus 4p. So 3p minus 4p is minus p. Next 3 2s are 6q, 6q minus 2q. So 6q minus 2q is 4q. So from this 4q minus p will be my answer. 4q minus p. Information collected is called, so the information that is collected is nothing but called as data. In a data, mean is 72.5, median is 73.9. Then what is mode? So already we know mode is equal to 3 times of median minus 2 times of mean. So 3 times of median means 3 times of 73.9 minus 2 times of mean means 2 times of 72.5. So from this 9 3s are 27. So 2 is carried, 3 3s are 9 plus 2 11, 7 3 is 21, 22 minus, so 2 5s are 10, right? 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5, 2 5s are, so 2 7s are 14. So this is 145. So 221.7 minus 145 gives me 7. So 11 minus 6, so 11 minus 5 is 6, right? Next, so 11 minus 4 is 7. So its answer is 76.7. Its answer is 76.7, so you don't have that option, so answer is 76.7, right? So 7 minus 0 is 7. Next, from 1 we cannot subtract, so we are taking a borrow, so 11 minus 5 is 6. Next we will have 11 minus 4, which is 7, right? So 1 minus 1 is 0, so 76.7 is my answer. But here the option 76.7 is not given, hence none will be my answer here. Mode of any three consecutive numbers. So if you are having any consecutive numbers, then you won't have any mode, hence it has no mode. Dash is based on all observations, so mean is based on all the observations. Next, the mean of first 5 odd multiples of 5 is, so first 5 odd multiples of 5 means 5, 15, 25, 35 and 45. Now if you observe this, what is sum of observations here? So I can write as 5 into 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9, which is nothing but given by 5 into sum of first 5 odd natural numbers is 5 square. So this is nothing but sum. Now what is he asking? Mean. So mean means, so we need to divide with 5, so 5 will get cancelled, so hence the answer will be 25. Next, mean is 52.5, sorry, median is 52.5, mean is 54, then mode is equal to, so already we know the formula, mode is equal to 3 times of median minus 2 times of mean. Now 5 3s are 15, so 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7, so 3 5s 15, 15.75 minus, so what I am going to get, so 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, so this is point, so here 0, so this will be 5. 7 minus 8 is not possible, so 17 minus 8, so 17 minus 8 is 9, here we will be left with 4, so 49.5 is my answer. Next, the mean of the following data is, so he is asking you to find out the mean of the given data. So how can you find the mean of the given data? So simply we need to write down the table, so 0 to 2, so 0 to 2 means what is the mid value? So mid values are, so first of all write down the mid values, 1 3 5 7 9 11 and 13, so these are nothing but the mid values. Their corresponding frequencies are 1 2 1 5 6 2 3, right? So these are nothing but their corresponding frequencies. Next I am going with Fi Xi, so 1 1s are 1, 3 2s are 6, 5 1s are 5, 7 5s are 35, 9 6s is 54, 11 2s 22, 13 3s 39, right? On adding all these, what I am going to get, so 9 plus 2 11, 11 plus 4 15, 15 20, 25 26 30, so 26 32, so 3 will be carried, so 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 5 13, 13 plus 3 16, so this is 162. Now what is the formula? Sigma Fi Xi by sigma Fi, right? Now we need to add these Fi's, so 1 plus 2 3 plus 4, 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 6 15, 15 plus 5 20, so answer is 162 by 20, so which is nothing but 16.2 by 2, which is nothing but 8.1, hence the answer is 8.1. Next, mode is equal to 24.5, mean is equal to 29.75, then median is equal to, so already we know the formula mode, so 24.5 is equal to 3 times of median minus 2 times of mean, so 2 into 29.75, so when you multiply 2 5s 10, 2 7s 14, 1 15, so 1 will be carried, so 2 9s are 18, so 2 5s 10, right? 1 is carried, 2 7s 14 plus 1 15, 1 is carried, 2 9s 18 plus 1 19, again 1 is carried, 2 2s 4 plus 1 5, so which is equal to 24.5. Now I need 3 times of m, so 3 times of m is equal to 24.5 and 59.5, so 5 5 1, so 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 4 14, again 5 plus 2 7 plus 1 8, so this gives me 84. So m is equal to 84 by 3. So in 3 table 3 2s are 6, 3 8s are 24, so hence the answer is 28. Right, next moving on to question number 71. So find the sum of lower limit of the median class and upper limit of the model class. Now first of all we need to identify what is median class here. So 1 plus 3, so 1 plus 3 is 5, 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 9 18, 18 plus 7, so 1 3 5 9 7 3. Now this is 1, so 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 9 18, 18 plus 7 25, next is 28. Now what is half of 28? So half of 28 is 14. So 14 will be present in this particular group, that is nothing but fourth. So fourth one is nothing but, so this is nothing but my lower limit of median class. Next coming to model class. So to find out model class is nothing but, so 9 is the highest frequency, so the same median class is nothing but my model class. Now what is he asking? Sum of lower limit of median class and upper limit of model class. So 40 plus 50, it is nothing but 90. Dash of all bars is same in bar graph, so it is only the width. Next, the median class of the following distribution is, so I need to find out the median class. So to find out the median class, what should I do? So I need to take the cumulative frequency. So 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 8 is 16, 26, 38, 40, 46, 50. Now what is half of 50? So half of 50 is 25. So 25 will be present in fourth group, right? So 25 will be present in fourth group. So what is fourth group here? So fourth group is 30 to 40, hence the median class is 30 to 40. Now here you can understand that, so this particular third cumulative frequency, it has only 16 values. So from 16 to 26, so what are the values are there, that will be present in fourth group. So here I have 25, that 25 will be present in fourth class interval. Next, for a given data with 120 observations, so is asking you to find out the median. So simply it is 42.5. right. Next, consider the following frequency distribution table. So more than or equal to 10,000, so more than or equal to 13,000, 16,000, 19,000, 22,000 and 25,000. Now what is he asking? The range, the number of families having income range from 16,000 to 19,000. So 16,000 to 19,000 means, so simply this is more than cumulative frequency curve. So here it is 15. So 15 plus how much is 33? So 15 plus how much is 33? So it is nothing but 18. So 33 plus how much is 50? So 33 plus how much is 50? It is nothing but 17. Next, 50 plus how much is 69? It is 19. Right. Next, 69 plus how much is 85? So 69 plus how much is 85 means, so it is 16. Next it is 15. Now what is he asking? The range of families from 16,000 to 19,000. So 16,000 to 19,000 means, so this is more than or equal to 10,000 means, so this particular range gives me 10,000 to 13,000. This is 13,000 to 16,000. This gives me 16,000 to 19,000. So likewise we need to write it down. Since I need 16,000 to 19,000, hence the answer is 19. Next, unimodel data may have how many modes? So uni means 1. So unimodel data will have only one mode. Next, class interval of 1 to 10. So class interval of 1 to 10 means, so here what is meant by CI? So CI means class interval. So class interval or class size. So here it is class size. So class size is nothing but 10. So if you ask about lower limit, so lower limit will be 1 and upper limit will be 10. Next, in calculating mode, delta 1 means, so what is the meaning of delta 1? So delta 1 is nothing but f1 minus f0. So f1 minus f0 we don't have here, so simply what we are saying is f minus f1. So in old textbooks, so this particular formula was given, so delta 1 means f minus f1. So here instead of f1, so generally what is the formula? L plus f1 minus f0 by 2 f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. So this is the formula which is given in our textbooks, but in previous textbooks, so it was given L plus f1 minus f1 by 2f minus f1 minus f2 into c. So this is the formula, right? So here f minus f1 will be represented by delta 1 and f minus f2 will be represented by delta 2, right? Next, that particular tally marks represents how much? So it is nothing but 5 and plus 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. Next, summation. So sum of observations is 200 and number of observations is 20. Then mean is equal to, so mean is equal to sum of observations by number of observations. So 200 by 20 is nothing but 10. Next, arithmetic mean of a minus 2 comma a plus 2 is nothing but, so when you do sum up, so minus 2 plus 2 will get cancelled. So this is nothing but 3a by a, which is equal to 3, which is equal to, so a minus 2 plus a plus 2, it is nothing but 3a. So 3a divided by 3, sorry, 3a divided by 3. So this gives me the answer as a, hence the answer is a. Next, mean minus mode. So what is the value of mean minus mode? So for this, first of all we need to write out the empirical formula. So mode is equal to 3 times of median minus 2 times of mean. Now what do I need? So I need mean minus mode. So mean minus mode. So for that, what I should do is, first of all multiply with minus. So this gives me minus mode is equal to 2 mean minus 3 median, right? Next, what do I need? Mean minus mode. So add mean on both sides. So mean minus mode is equal to, so this will become 3 mean minus 3 median. So which gives me 3 times of mean minus median. Hence option A will be my answer here. Understood? So this is the approach we are going to follow. Next, 83, am of, so since all the observations are fractions, so first of all change the given denominators as equal, right? Write all the denominators as equal. Then 3, 12, 4, 2, 6. What is the LCM? So LCM is 12. Hence, so 1 by 3 can be written as, so 4 by 12. Next, 7 by 12 can be written as 7 by 12. Next, 3 by 4 can be written as 9 by 12. Next, 1 by 2 can be written as 6 by 12. 5 by 6 can be written as 10 by 12. Now add up all this, then you are going to get the sum of observations. So 10 plus 6, 16, 16 plus 9, 25, 25 plus 7, 32, 32 plus 4, 36. So 36 by 12 is sum of observations by number of observations is 5. Now in 12 table 36 goes 3 times, hence the answer is 3 by 5. Answer is 3 by 5. So answer is option none. Next, am of 3 and 4. So 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 by 2 is 3.5. Right? So if you observe 83rd question, see here am of 1. So 1 by 3 means, so we can write as 4 3 is 12. That means 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Next 7 by, next 3 3 is 9, 4 3 is 12. Next 6 2 is 12, 1 6. Next 5 by 6 means, so with the 2 if you multiply, 10 by 12. Right? So when you add them up, so 10 plus 6 is 16, 16 plus 9 is 25, 25 plus 7 is 32, 32 plus 4 is 36. So 36 by 12 is 3. So 3 by 5 is my answer. Right? So all such type of questions he is giving, none as answer. Next, question number 85. mean of a plus 1, a plus 3, a plus 4, a plus 8 is, so how many a's are there? So 4 times of a's. Next 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 8, 16 by 4. Now this will give me a plus 4 as my answer. Hence answer is a plus 4. Median of first 8 prime numbers. So write down first 8 prime numbers: 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Now take out the average of the middle two. 11 plus 7 is 18. 18 by 2 is 9. Hence the answer is 9. If the mean of the data 2, so 2 plus a plus 1 plus a plus a minus 2 by how many observations? 1, 2, 3, 4 is equal to 4. Now from this minus 2 plus 2 will get cancelled. A plus a plus a is 3a. So 3a plus 1 is equal to 4 4s are 16. 3a is equal to 15. A is equal to 5. Hence the value of a is 5 here. Right? So is there any mistake in this question? So 2 plus a plus 1 plus a plus a minus 2 by total observations are 4 is equal to 4. Right? So 4 4s are 16. Here minus 2 plus 2 will get cancelled. Right? So 3a plus 1 you are going to get. So 3a plus 1 is equal to 16. 3a is equal to 15. A is equal to 5. So there is no option. So a is equal to 5 is nothing but my answer here. Next, mean of 5, 7, 9x is 9. So 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus x by 4. So totally there are 4 observations. So 9 plus 7 is 16. 16 plus 5 is 21. So 21 plus x by 4 is equal to 9. So when you do cross multiplication, 21 plus x is equal to 9 4s are 36. X is equal to 36 minus 21. So 6 minus 1 is 5. 3 minus 2 is 1. Hence x is equal to 15. Next, Dash is known as father of statistics. Sir Ronald Fisher is nothing but called as father of statistics. In a data, maximum value is x and minimum value is y. Then range is maximum value minus minimum value. That is nothing but x minus y. Hence the answer is x minus y. Next, the sum of deviations taken from arithmetic mean. The sum of all deviations taken from arithmetic mean is 0. Next, the mode of 2004, 2005 and so on 2014. Since all the values are consecutive values and they are all distinct, hence there exists no mode. Next, cumulative frequency is used to calculate. So cumulative frequency is used to calculate median. Next, cumulative frequency curves are also called as, so they are called as ogive. So these are some of the multiple choice questions so related to this chapter, right? So if you like the video, please share with your friends and please subscribe to my channel and stay connected with the channel for further more videos, right? So thank you for watching.